Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 kitchen gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
I recently had the opportunity to test out the Univolt 12 electric pizza oven, a product that combines sleek design with powerful functionality. As a fan of both cooking and innovative technology, I was excited to experience what this oven had to offer. Number 1. One of the standout features of the Univolt 12 is its modern design. The black color gives it a stylish and sophisticated look that would complement any kitchen or outdoor cooking area. The product dimensions of 24.2 inches in diameter, 20.8 inches in width, and 10.9 inches in height provide ample space for cooking various sizes of pizzas or other dishes. The LED display is a special feature that adds a touch of convenience to the user experience. It allows for easy monitoring of cooking settings and temperatures, ensuring precise control over the cooking process. The knob control type is intuitive and user-friendly, making it effortless to adjust settings as needed. In terms of performance, the Univolt 12 delivers exceptional.
Number 2. The OXO 4-cup fat separator is a convenient addition to any kitchen, designed to make cooking and meal preparation easier. Made from durable plastic, this fat separator has a clear design that allows you to see the contents clearly. The 4-cup capacity is ideal for various cooking needs. Measuring at 7.99 inches in length, 3 inches in width, and 5.3 inches in height, this fat separator is compact and easy to store when not in use. The OXO brand is known for its quality and attention to detail, ensuring that this product is reliable and long-lasting. Using the OXO 4-cup fat separator is intuitive and straightforward. The clear design and measurement markings make it easy to separate fat from liquids, resulting in healthier and more flavorful dishes. The large capacity allows you to work with larger quantities without spilling or making a mess. Overall, the OXO 4-cup fat separator is a practical and efficient tool for any home cook or professional chef. Its durable plastic construction.
Number 3. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Ecolution universal lid for pots and pans, and I must say, I am impressed with the quality and functionality of this product. Made from durable glass, this lid is not only sturdy, but also heat-resistant, making it perfect for everyday cooking needs. The sleek black color fits well with most kitchen decors, adding a touch of elegance to the cookware. Ecolution, known for its commitment to eco-friendly products, has once again delivered with this universal lid. The product comes in a standard size suitable for most pots and pans, measuring at 9.5 inches in length and 12 inches in width. Its universal design eliminates the need for multiple lids, making it a convenient and practical addition to any kitchen. The Ecolution universal lid is not just functional, but also stylish, enhancing the overall look of your cookware collection. Its simple yet elegant design makes it versatile for various cooking styles and settings.
Number 4, the Brima Fruit Infuser water bottle made with high-quality Eastman Triton material is a remarkable product that combines style and functionality seamlessly. Perfect for those seeking a healthier hydration option, this clear water bottle stands out as a convenient and visually appealing choice. The innovative design of this fruit infuser water bottle allows you to create refreshing fruit-infused drinks on the go, providing a burst of flavor while keeping you hydrated throughout the day. Its 2-pound capacity ensures that you can enjoy your favorite infused beverages without the need for constant refills. Crafted by Brima, a trusted brand known for its commitment to quality and durability, this water bottle is a versatile companion for all occasions. Whether you're at the gym, in the office, or exploring the outdoors, the Brima Fruit Infuser water bottle is a reliable and stylish choice for everyone looking to elevate their hydration experience.
Number 5. The Vibasso electric lunchbox for adults in dark green is a practical solution for individuals looking to enjoy hot home-cooked meals on the go. Crafted from durable polypropylene and silicone, this lunchbox by Vibasso combines quality and convenience. With a power range of 60-80 W, this electric lunchbox efficiently heats meals within 20-30 minutes, making it ideal for use in various settings such as office, school, construction sites, trucks, and even at home. The 1.5 liters capacity ensures an ample meal portion to satisfy adult appetites. What sets this lunchbox apart is its thoughtful inclusion of a fork and spoon, making it a comprehensive package for those who prioritize convenience. Moreover, it doubles up as a great gift for friends aiming to adopt a healthier eating routine.